Hello everyone, welcome to my video, and the topic of my portfolio is about the stock market analysis. And as we all know that it's very risky for investors to trade in the stock market nowadays. And I think using the time series, the seasonal variance, and steady flow of some indices will help them to make a better decision to invest in the stock market. And the 10 questions of are about the price of stocks over time and daily return of stocks on average, and even the correlation between different stocks. And then next we are gonna find out the data source of my analysis. Basically, I have downloaded 4 datasets, which are stock market dataset and S&P 500 companies historical prices, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and even the financial indicator of US stocks from 2014 to 2018. And these datasets are mainly downloaded from the Yahoo Finance and the Kaggle and some Python packages. Now let's move on to the data visualization using Tableau and ggplot. These three plots are basically the Nasdaq dataset and DJI and S&P 500 dataset. And from these three plots, we can see that there's a very sharp drop down from um, around the 2008 due to the unprecedented financial crisis. And it is basically because of um, the collapse of mortgage-backed securities in the housing sectors, and some homeowners are unable to fulfill their obligations, and um, causing the bankrupt of these companies. And here's another drop down in around 2000 because of the dot-com bubble. Investors are, you know, they are able to raise millions of dollars via the IPOs with only the business idea. So eventually, many companies um, lost their whole capitals, and the stock prices of their technology companies collapsed in the end. And finally, we'll move on to the exploratory data analysis, um, especially the Boeing stock price from 2001 to 2020. Here's the Boeing stock price plot and the leg 1 plot, and I have done some trend and detrend analysis. And from these two plots, we can see that here the Boeing stock price um, rises gradually from 2001 and 2018, and here's very rapidly drop down because of some Boeing airplane crashes. And here's some PACF and ACF plots, and we can conclude it from these several plots that this time series is not stationary. So because of the that all of the lines are out of the boundaries, and we have to um, you know turn this time series into a stationary dataset. And that's all for my video, and thanks for watching.